Morning, everybody. It's 10:20 and 22 seconds on January 2nd, Wednesday. This is the drawing for the New Mutants 98. Over here are the 19 filled spots. All right. Gonna roll the 3 dice. The number is 8. I'm gonna randomize 8 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. I ran out of shipping supplies. I've been away on vacation, so I'm going to try to get this out tomorrow, the 3rd. Worst case, it will ship on January 4th. Okay, just trying to get back into the swing of things. Got home from a lengthy vacation and realized I have no priority envelopes or anything to ship anything. So it's just going to be a few days delay so I can get back in the swing of things. So best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here comes the final one. 8, spot 7, Dave Boggs. Congratulations. Time is 10:21 and 30 seconds.